YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. We've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaNaut 400 suction side pool cleaner. We are going to tear this thing apart from the outside in. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaNaut. This is the AquaNaut 400. This is the 4-wheel cleaner. As you guys can tell, it is stripped apart. If you guys want to know how we got to this point, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We got a playlist on how to get these tires off. But for today's video, I want to show you guys how to remove this blue handle. Before we dive in, I do just want to let you guys know the purpose of the 4-wheel cleaner over a 2-wheel cleaner. So typically with a 4-wheel cleaner, if you guys have a deeper diving pool, the 4-wheel cleaner helps provide that extra push that cleaner needs to get up and over that little slope, whatever it may be, into your shallow end to make sure that it cleans optimally all over your pool. So if you do have a deeper diving pool, 8 foot, 9 foot, whatever it may be, this will be a good option for you to use just to make sure that way the pool will be clean all the way around. So again, you want to know how to take all the tires off, make sure you guys check out that playlist in the description for you guys. But for today's video on the handle, what you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver. I've got my handy dandy ratchet screwdriver. Definitely highly recommend if you guys are going to be working on these things. This is a lifesaver. Definitely saves the flick of the wrist better for you guys. So what you're looking for is located right here on top. You see the blue handle. You guys can have, there's 2 Phillips head screws located right here on the top. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that. Again, if you guys want to use a drill to remove, totally fine. But when it comes to setting the screws back in, when you get your new handle, highly recommend you use a hand tool. You over crank this, you're going to crack the plastic on the handle, not to mention the shroud, which can cause all other kinds of damage for you guys and even more of a headache. So definitely recommend, if you guys are going to sink them back down, to use a hand tool. All right, I'm going to go ahead and remove these. Please note that when you're removing these 2 screws from the handle, they are long frame screws. So this not only holds the handle, but it is helping hold the actual shroud, this top shroud that you guys see with the logo on it. It is actually helping hold that down as well. So it is part of that removal that you'll need to do in order to get access into the inside here, into the other screws. So, just a second, I'll get them out. So, show you guys how long these screws are. So, there's one. And go ahead and remove this other one. Slide it up. So there's your 2 long screws. They are going to be labeled as your shroud screws because they will need to go through the handle, through the shroud, down into the actual frame of the cleaner. So they are very long screws. So whatever you guys take off, make sure you guys keep close, stay away from the pool surface so you don't have to jump in and fish these out. Really nice to have a table, just go over there and get to a flat surface really easy. So again, once you remove those 2 screws, you're just gonna lift up on the handle. It's gonna pop right out. It has a notch in the front that will actually slide back into the frame. It covers over this swivel assembly that the hose connects to. So the handle's just gonna come right out. Again, these tend to break, whether or not just sun rot or chemical composition, whatever it may be for you guys, they do tend to become brittle. So when you go yank it out of your pool, they will snap. So again, we've got these available directly on our website. You guys can go ahead and check them out. They'll come with the Hayward logo as well as the AquaNaut logo on the side. So they are all OEM items. So again, once you remove that, it's pretty simple. So I just want to show you guys how to get that handle off. Again, when you're going to go ahead and put on your new one, as long as you don't have any other further repairs, it's just about sliding that notch into the front, making sure that it sets down in the back. Go ahead and put these long shroud screws back in, and you're good to go. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Again, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We got that playlist that'll show you guys how to tear this thing apart from the outside in. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to have a ton of videos coming your way on all kinds of cleaners out there. So until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.